Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
What do you think is a partner's role in help you achieve that mental state for the spouse and for themselves? See, we always underestimate a male thing which they are going through. They are also going through as much anxiety, as much fear, maybe more, because when it's your dear one involved, I think you're more fearful than you are for your own self. So what is their role and how can they support this?
See, partner can always be a great support. Why? I'll tell you. If they can get in touch and with the partner and just do some physical gestures, like just holding the hand, it will get those nerves very calm. It will get those love hormone high, and love hormone is oxytocin. And oxytocin is responsible for the contraction and expansion as well. So it's all in the same circle. So if the hormones can be aggravated by the partner, just show a lot of love. If the partner can be actively involved in giving that little bit of confidence when the mother really needs it, maybe sometimes there'll be times in labor where you just want to give up. And the partner can actually understand that she can push it a little bit.
Right.
If they've gone through the entire journey together,
Right.
they'll know each other's state of mind, and
Right.
when she can push it, when she can't push it. So that way, if he can be an active partner, like proactively taking decisions
Right.
and being there for her, he can do some comfort measures, like maybe some massages during contractions, just holding her hand, looking at her, giving her some confidence. That will work wonders. And that way, he'll also feel a little more involved in the process, and he'll understand the entire process of bringing the child into the world. It's
Right.
just not like the mother went inside the ward and
Right.
and I got my baby out.
Right.
So if he's actively involved, it definitely helps both of them to bond better
Definitely.
after the baby as well.
Which ultimately helps in that postpartum recovery. True, right?
Definitely, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it plays a major role, probably.
Definitely, yes.
And it also changes their overall experience, the mental preparation by both of them.
Yes, definitely. See, for a woman, the 9 months, right? It's not just the baby growing. Her hormones have been going high every single month. And the moment the baby is born, it'll drip. So the graph goes like that, and then it goes like this.
Okay.
So the graph goes like that, and then it falls like this. So the fall is not going to be exactly like the rise.
Right.
So you can expect a lot of roller coaster of emotions and everything. So that is why postpartum is very, very vulnerable.
Okay.
Right. So the man has to be there to, support the women for the fall of hormones, to be there to, make sure she's not
Getting into that trap of feeling depressed and low and those crying
so
spells,
he
right?
can always
Yeah.
be there and understand that this is all because of the hormone drop. It's not because of anything else, right? So when it takes 9 months to grow, the hormones, and if it falls on one day, you can understand the intensity of changes in the body. So that way, the physical recovery has to happen, the emotional recovery has to happen. So if the partner can be there, both of them can evolve into and enter the parenthood very safely and happily.
Absolutely. I mean, see, this is where the knowledge and the empowerment with the knowledge and wisdom is required, so that you know why it is happening.
Yes.
And when you know the whys, you know how to deal with it.
True. The awareness
Absolutely.
is absolutely important, because when we talk about postpartum, I should always mention postpartum depression also needs a lot of awareness to understand that this is normal and this is not normal.
Absolutely.
The line is what you need to understand, and for that understanding, you need a little bit of awareness and education.